Korean hot dog. A very simple, easy recipe, and it's super delicious. For this recipe, we'll use, guys, 4 sausages because I'm gonna make just 4 hot dogs. But if you're gonna make more of it, you can buy more sausages. And the mozzarella, I bought a piece of cheese and then I cut it in the size of the sausages. Let's cut it this way, as you can see on the video. And then we're going to put them on a stick. Remember to put a piece of sausage, then mozzarella, then sausage, then mozzarella, and so on. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from so I can send you that special hug on the next video. Now, guys, let's prepare it to fry. Here I'm gonna put in a bowl a cup of flour, a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of sugar. Don't be scared, okay? That's the right amount of sugar. An egg and half a cup of milk. Mix it very well. And when it's all mixed, we're going to put it in a glass. And that's why, guys, we're going to dive the stick into this glass. After that, we are going to pass them all through breadcrumbs. This is gonna give a very special crunchiness to our hot dog. See how easy it is, guys. Our recipe is almost done. Now we just have to fry it. Put in hot oil and let's fry on one side and on the other side. It's very fast, guys, just until the cheese is melted. After that, we are going to pull all of them on a paper towel. And our snack is already done. Can you believe it? That's how easy it is. Seriously, I had never eaten a hot dog like this. It's the best one. And it's very easy to make, you saw. You have to make it at your house. I'm sure you won't regret it. Look, guys, I'm gonna show you very closely so you can understand what I'm talking about. Isn't it perfect? It's a very great option if you're gonna receive some friends at your house, you're gonna do a get together, and then you have this delicious snack to serve for everybody. I'm sure everyone's gonna love it very much. If you make it there, come and tell me that I really wanna know what you thought about it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10.